Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to fix the issue if the Disney Plus isn't allowing you to log in into your account. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. A common reason you might not be able to log in is a connectivity issue. To resolve this, ensure that your internet connection is strong and stable. You can test it by opening another internet-based app to see if it works. Also, try switching Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps you access the Disney Plus app. Solution 2. Update the Disney Plus app if you are still having the trouble. If there's an update available, tap the update button to install the latest version of the app. Solution 3. Clear Disney Plus app cache if updating doesn't work. Head to your device settings, find the Disney Plus app, then choose Offload app and confirm. Afterward, tap Reinstall app. This should help resolve the issue. Solution 4. Reinstall the Disney Plus app if the issue persists. You might need to fully uninstall and reinstall the app. Navigate to the app page, tap Delete app to remove it. Then go back to the App Store, search for Disney Plus, and hit the Get button to reinstall the app. And that's how you can fix Disney Plus app if it isn't letting you log in. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.